Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make stir-fried veggies for your chicken wrap, tortilla wrap, whatever you want to use to eat.
So just stir it in, just add some flavors to the pot. I'm adding more of the red pepper right now because me and your girl likes peppers. That's the reason why I use a lot of pepper in my stir-fried veggies. But by the time I'm done cooking, it won't even be as pepperish as it might look like. Oh, there's so much pepper in it. No, it won't be that pepperish. So next, I'm adding in my cabbage. Yes. Just adding in a little chicken immediately. So you're going to be thinking, am I not going to season this chicken? Am I just going to fry the chicken without any seasoning? Just wait for it. I'm going to add some seasoning, but not right now. I just want to make sure I get a good fry first, then I'll start adding in this seasoning gradually. So while the chicken is cooking, I'm adding in some salt for taste, and I'm also just going to stir it in there. While the salt is there, I'm just stirring in the salt with the chicken and just making sure that it's being cooked on all the sides. Then next, I'm gonna reach out for my seasoning cubes. I'm adding in my chicken seasoning cube now. Gives you time and now it's all ready. So what I'm doing now, I'm just transferring the chicken into the stir-fried veggie. Transferring the chicken in there. But if you want it to be more healthy, you can't just fry your chicken. You can just cook your chicken instead of frying it to make sure there's less oil in your stir-fried veggies. Yeah. You can see what it looks like. It's really colorful. It looks nice, and definitely also tastes nice too. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start sort of dishing these stir fried veggies into a small plate, so that whenever I want to make a wrap, I'll just grab onto just one of these plates, and I'll use that portion of stir fried veggies in it to make a vegetable wrap, vegetable chicken wrap. So I'm going to add just one sausage to each of the plates, and I'm going to dish it in each of the plates. I think I have about 6 or 7 of these plates. I'm just going to add sausages to it. Yes. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed watching this stir fry veggies recipe, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, give the video a huge thumbs up so that more people get to watch it, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.